Hi guys, this is part 2 of the main idea. We're going to talk about this uncertain future part right here, and then we're going to talk about the main idea of the overall article. In this uncertain future, it talks about sea otters are only occupying about 300 miles of the Pacific coastline because of sharks, and experts are saying that they really need to expand their areas in order to fight extinction. So what I got from that was the main idea for that section. What I got was otters must expand to other areas to grow their population. Short, simple, okay, nothing. You don't need to copy anything from there. You don't need to go into, you don't need to add all the details. Just remember the overall main thing. So I tried to get where I could actually show you my notes, but I haven't figured that part out. So what I found is if you look up here, you have different things that you can do on this. And so I wanted to go back over. I wrote little notes on here and wrote what I put as the main ideas of each section. So I'm going to read each main idea section to you, or main idea for you, and then I will tell you what I came up with for my main idea of the entire article. So this one was for ocean living, and I said otters are important parts of Pacific Coast ecosystems, but were almost wiped out because they were hunted for their soft fur. Okay, so that was my main idea for ocean living. So then I went over here to bouncing back and I wrote my main idea there. I said otters faced many dangers, but many efforts are being done to protect them. Okay. And then using my next one, what we just did. Okay. Wait a minute. Don't move. I don't want you to move. I want you to click there. Otters must expand to other areas to grow their population. Okay. So those were my three main ideas. So going back here, what I did was this was my main idea for the entire article. It says sea otters were close to extinction for several reasons, but many efforts are helping them to increase their population. Okay, that was what I came up with for the entire article. Notice it's only one sentence. I'm not writing a short summary. Now, if I were to write a summary of this article, this would be my first sentence. Okay, this was the main idea of the whole article. This would be my main sentence. Then I would go to this sentence. That would be sentence 2, sentence 3, and then on the next page, it would be sentence 4. So make sure when you are looking at the last 2 articles, remember I went and showed you how to do that on the video, okay? You can do this one for the next article. You're going to do the same thing. If you look, I also made a document to show you what exactly I'm looking for. So look for that on Google Classroom also.